How to log in to Grubhub account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Grubhub account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Grubhub website or your app. After you open any one of those, head over to the account option and then tap on the sign in option. After you do that, you can sign in or create an account. You can do any one of those, and if you have the account, you'll basically be signed in. If you don't have an account, your account will be created. So I'll just continue with Google. If you want, you can choose to type in the email address and then type in the password. I'll show you that first. So this is my email right here. And after I type in my email address, I'll then tap on continue. Let me just correct that. And after that, type in the password. So yeah, this is basically signing in since the email was wrong. Let me correct that. And there you can see welcome back. Now enter out your password and then tap on sign in. After you do that, you'll be signed in into your account, and it's that simple. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.